Hello, everybody. Hello, it is your Monday meditation at 11:11 a.m. Eastern here on facebook.com/BEXLIFE and also in replay on IGTV and on YouTube. I am so excited for today's meditation because it is a meditation for welcoming and accepting joy, which is something that I'm very bad at. Hello, Karen, you made it. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So my name is Rebekah Borucki. I'm a meditation guide, a mother of 5. I write books. I have one on meditation called You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life. My new book for mothers is Managing the Motherload, and I just wrote a children's book. I'm very busy, and that is also linked in the video description, Zara's Big Messy Day, and I'm asking everyone to support it on Kickstarter and share it with your friends. It is a meditation and mindfulness book for children. It will teach your child to meditate in 10 minutes. So please support that effort. All the details are at zarabook.com. In the video description. I'm very turned up today, and I know you're here for meditation, so we're going to bring it down a notch. We're going to bring it down a notch. And talk about joy. Talk about joy. And more specifically, accepting joy into our lives. For so many of us, when bad things happen, it's very easy to not so much accept it, but to understand why it's happened, or to make up reasons for why it's happening. So if a bad thing happens, we feel like we deserve it, or that's what's supposed to happen, or that's what life is all about. Like, life sucks, so bad things happen every single day to good people, to bad people, whatever. But when things are going really well in our lives, it's so hard to accept. We're always waiting for the other shoe to drop. We're wondering if it can stay this way. We feel lucky and really undeserving, and we're skeptical of the good things. We got to stop that. We got to stop that, because life is full of joy too. So I want you first to take a nice big inhale and exhale with me to cross over that energetic threshold into a protected and safe space of peace and calm that belongs to only you. So inhale, exhale. I meditate every day, so it's easy for me to just sink right into that space of silence, of quiet, of calm. As soon as I take that inhale and exhale, I know it's time to connect. And with practice, you'll be able to do that too. So my energy shifts instantly, and that's why my book is called You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life, because it only takes that long to change your outlook, to change your state of being. So let's do that again with the real intention to settle in and make this time all about connecting with ourselves and healing ourselves. So inhale, exhale, sink in. So juicy. That's a good one. If it feels comfortable for you, if it feels safe for you, go ahead and close your eyes. If not, just focus softly on an object, a spot on the wall or on the floor. Settle into your seat even more, maybe by swaying side to side, back and forth. Maybe moving in circles, just getting nice and easy in this seat, making any adjustments that are necessary. Allow your attention to float to your easy inhales and exhales as they are right now. No need to make any adjustments there. Your breathing is perfect for this moment. Bring your attention by saying inhale on your inhale, and repeating in your head or out loud, exhale on your exhale. You're bringing your attention to your breath, away from any mental chit-chat, any energetic clutter. Just inhale on your inhale. Exhale on your exhale. You are settling into the silence, into the stillness, into this warm and comfortable and safe place of peace and calm, created just for you, made by you. With every inhale and exhale, you sink deeper into relaxation, into comfort. You feel completely at ease. Every inhale and exhale brings you closer to peace and calm. Let's talk about joy. The joy we are welcoming in now during this meditation, joy as happiness, as good things, as blessings, joy that shows up in our life, and sometimes we feel skeptical or uneasy about it because it doesn't seem like it can last. But joy that we want to experience and that we want to call forward. First, let's let go of something. Let's let go of the idea that joy is something that is deserved or undeserved. Because when we let go of that, we can also let go of the opposite. That pain, that suffering is something that's deserved or undeserved. Let's look at joy as something that is neutral and part of life and an inherent part of our existence, part of the natural order of things. And when we are open to joy, we see more of it in our life. We experience more of it with ease and comfort and even expectation. With your next inhale and exhale, settle into that idea that joy is an inevitable part of life. It's coming. It's already here. It's part of the deal. Inhale and exhale. Joy is part of the foundation of our lives, of every day, of every moment. Joy is essential. Joy is inevitable. When we resist these ideas, we resist the natural order of things. So inhale and exhale, settling into acceptance of joy. Joy that's coming, and joy that's already here. Accessing joy is as easy as sitting down, connecting with yourself, taking the time to contemplate your situation. And even if it takes a lot of looking and looking closely, recognizing the joy, the blessings that exist right here, right now. Just finding that one small thing to be thankful for puts you on your way to experiencing more joy, to accepting it, welcoming it, and calling it in. Your mantra for today, to repeat now, either silently or loud, or to revisit later with just a couple breaths. Your meditation doesn't have to be a big ordeal. It can be just closing your eyes and remembering a true statement and connecting with your breath. Repeat after me, either silently or out loud. Joy is everywhere. I accept the joy in my life. I welcome it in. Joy is everywhere. I accept the joy in my life. I welcome it in. Joy is everywhere. I accept the joy that's already in my life, right here, right now, and I call more of it in. Start to rock back and forth, maybe side to side, maybe in circles. Waking up your body, feeling sensation moving through your body all the way down to your fingertips and your toes. Wiggle them just a bit as you take in one last big inhale and exhale to open your eyes and return to your day. Inhale. Exhale, return. Good morning, or afternoon, or evening, whenever you're watching. I offer this meditation to you because this is something that I struggle with sometimes, that I talk about a lot in therapy, my favorite time of the week. When good things are happening, especially a lot of good things at one time, I'm like, oh my gosh, this can't last. When's the bad thing going to happen to balance it out? And that's just not a healthy or beneficial way of thinking. It doesn't help me at all to be anticipating something negative when in the midst of something joyful. It robs me of that joy in the moment. So when good things happen, just let them happen and understand that it's part of life too, that life isn't always bad news, right? All right, I'm going to get back to work. Please visit the links in the video description. Please support my children's book on Kickstarter. It needs so much help, and it promotes free meditation. It supports free meditation and free books for kids, for school kids. And I say 3 times all the time to affirm it because it's so true. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so grateful for how you show up for me. It compels and inspires me to show up for you. And I love you. I love you. I love you. I'll see you.